Welcome to Knapp Honda, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with WT Convenience Package, Chevrolet Connected Access Capable, Extended Range Remote Keyless Entry, Easy Lift and Lower Tailgate, Unauthorized Entry Theft Deterrent System, OnStar and Chevrolet Connected Services Capable, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 System, Rear View Camera, Driver 4-Way Power Seat Adjuster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and has less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1993, family-owned Knapp Honda has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors in southern Texas. Backed by the Clark name, a trusted name locally for over 85 years, our friendly and knowledgeable staff always goes the extra mile for our customers. If you're in the market for a vehicle or need service of any kind, come visit us today. Knapp Honda, simply better.